Hello everyone, today we are going to see the detailed information of the Swedish Institution Scholarship 2026 step-by-step guideline. Before going to how to apply step-by-step guideline, what are the benefits and how this scholarship is. Going through this scholarship is fully funded scholarship. It covered your tuition fee, round-way ticket, including the compensative insurance against your illness, member of the exclusive Sweden Institution Network Global Profession, all cover that package. So students or global growth living in Scandinavian country, which is covered by all this scholarship if you are eligible and join this scholarship. So let's see by step-by-step guideline, because this all the scholarship things in about the eligible criteria, what are the documents and everything I post in this blog, so you can get the blog via here. By the way, you can follow by email address every post, every scholarship announcement you can get via your email address. You don't need this anything checking every time, so you will hit it will hit your email and you can check everything, right? So as you can see on the screen, follow by your email address and subscribe. You will get every scholarships announcement via your email address, which is we posted. Actually, we posted daily 3 or more scholarship in this blog. So, or else you can join the Telegram channel. There is a group channel and there is a main channel. You can discuss by group channel, and also you can check the main channel also. So let's see about the scholarship step-by-step process. So there are two portal systems. The first portal, university admission, which is ended by 5th of January 2026. The portal 2 is Syrian. Sorry, I was speaking with Syrian. That's why my mind is speak about Syrian. Anyways, Swedish Institute Scholarship in Sweden applied, which deadline is February 9 to February 25, 2026. So you can choose which one is compatible for you, the portal 1 or portal 2. It's your choice. So if you are eligible for this one, the document you can apply. But about the country, there are selective countries which is eligible for this scholarship, which is in Africa, Asia, Europe, Latin, and Middle East. In Africa, Ethiopia, Kenya, Liberia, Morocco, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, South Africa, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. As you can see on the screen, in Asia, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, in Europe, Latin America, and everything is they are mentioned on the screen. So there is a 30,000 hour experience. You are applying in the master's program, which means you have already get your bachelor degree from the recognized university, which means after you graduate, you have to works in some case part-time or full-time. If you are a full-time, or if you was a full-time student, you have to work 40 hours per week, which means 1 year and 6 months working experience, which is hit the target of the rule of experience. If you are a part-time working, so you have to have 20 hours per week, or else you need to experience in 3 years of employment. They're asking you an evidence from your previous employer, or if you are still working, that's preferable. So there is 30,000 hour rules because you are a master's scholarship applicant. So if you still internship, that internship must be paid internship. And if you are a freelancing worker, the client or the professional body must write in a reference letter from the recognized company. So a leadership position, you are working in the civil society, student union, or NGO council, they need an full employment work, or they need an evidence from the NGO or social security or student union. This is the main thing, but you can combine 3 different employment, which is from Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Georgia, Moldova, and or Ukraine. The 30,000 hour rule does not apply. You need to demonstrate the experience. If you are come from these countries, you have to compensate this thing because of your situation, your country rule, and so on. So, what are the step-by-step process of the Swedish institution? The first one is you have to apply up to 5th of 2026. You can the scholarship, click the eligible lists. As I mentioned before, there is eligible in here, as I mentioned earlier. If there is an eligible countries, if you are an eligible country, you can click the first one is that thing, online application. The admission is in here. I put the link below this description, so you can check over there. Create an account by for programs. So there is an application payment is 900 Swedish franc. So you have to process the application via payment. Save your number of once 8-digit personal application number. They give you an 8-digit application number. You have to download immediately after you get that 8-digit application. But if you are prepared for the document and up to you have to wait up to in February, you apply by Swedish institution scholarship. So the rule is restricted about the document, temporary or mandatory rules. It must be the official must be authorized by 2026, 2025, 6, and 2027. Actually, it's not 2027, 2026. You have to compensate it because 2027 is the coming year. So CV, proof of work experience, reference letter, everything is restricted, authorized, and definitely legalized by the official government of your country. So the stamp, signature, and everything must be proved by letter, that even including your reference letter, it must prove by the legal office of official or higher, I don't know. It's different from country to country, but the legal educational minister of in your country, let's say by this. So all documents must be in English. If any document is not by English, you have to translate this one and authorize that also. Submit the scholarship application 9 of February up to 25 of February. The portal is closed after that, so upload all the CV and proof of work, leadership reference, and everything, copy of including your copy passport, upload and submit. But before you upload, you have to make sure every letter, every your educational certification and everything, this must be authorized by legal government. So the motivational letter is selected direct by digital forms, which is why you need a scholarship, how you need drive the change, how you back to home country, and what is your contribution. Including this, you have to write the motivational letter. So these are the main thing to apply this scholarship. Actually, I add something how to write the motivational letter. There is a tips because this motivational letter is a backbone of your application of your scholarship. So use these tips and write the scholarship before you apply. So if you are apply the scholarship, honestly speaking, there is an application fee. You must be ready to pay that fee, and anything, if you are if they are accept or reject, you have to ready to accept that thing. But before that, the backbone of the scholarship application is the motivational letter. The motivational letter must be written by this. I write all the detailed information one by one. You check it in here. I put the link below this video, so you can get everything. I wish you good luck everyone who want to apply this serial scholarship. Good luck.